Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to practice numbers in Faux Calligraphy. Before starting the video, let's recall some basic concepts of Faux Calligraphy. First is the basic guidelines that I have drawn here on a piece of paper, that is the ascending line, the waistline, the baseline and the descending line. Also, there are slant lines or angle lines that decides the angle of our letter, and this angle should be evenly maintained throughout the word or sentence. Next fundamental is the basic strokes, that is the upstrokes and the downstrokes. While going from bottom to top, that is an upstroke, the line should always be thin, and while going from top to bottom, that is a downstroke, the lines should always be thick. There are 8 basic strokes that you need to learn in order to practice calligraphy. All these basic fundamentals are discussed in detail in the previous videos of this series. I would recommend you to go through the previous videos before starting this one. Now let's start practicing the numbers 0 to 9 and also some special characters in this video. For this practice, I have used fine liner over here, but you can use either fine liner, sketch pen, marker or even a pencil if you are a beginner. Let's start.